Question number 6. Describe the 5 steps to writing an effective paragraph. Or, what is the 5-step process of paragraph development? A paragraph consists of some organized sentences that develop and explain a single controlling idea. To build an effective paragraph, there are 5 steps to follow. Step 1. Formulation of controlling idea about the topic. Step 2. Explanation of the controlling idea. Step 3. Evidence to support the controlling idea. Step 4. Analysis of the evidence. And step 5. Conclusion or summary. Question number 7. Types of paragraphs and their definitions. Narrative paragraph. It tells a story or a sequence of events. It tells about a series of events that happen to the narrator. It is written to explain what, when, and who. It needs to make the reader feel involved, teach a lesson, help get an idea across, or feel emotionally about it. Some of the examples of narrative paragraph are a rainy day, a strange job interview, a road accident, etc. Now, descriptive paragraph. It describes a person, an object, or a scene using words which appeal to the 5 senses of touch, smell, sight, sound or hearing, and taste. The writer uses sensory details to create vivid images in the reader's mind. Some examples of descriptive paragraph are a winter morning, a sunset, the mother, etc. Expository paragraph. It exposes information through facts and details. Its purpose is to give information to readers in an organized format. In an expository paragraph, the writer gives information, explains a subject, gives direction, or shows how something happens. Some examples of expository paragraph are my best friend, favorite teacher, my favorite hobby, aim in life, etc. Persuasive paragraph. It presents a statement and tries to convince others to agree or take action. Examples: laughter is the best medicine, homework, etc. Argumentative paragraph. The argumentative paragraph is one in which the writer presents reasons for or against something. Examples: child abuse, physical exercise, morning walk. Now, definition paragraph. It explains a term or a subject. Examples: love, friendship, patriotism, racist, dengue fever, COVID-19. Listing paragraph. It provides a list of points in support of the controlling idea. Example: causes of brain drain. Compare and contrast paragraph. It shows both the similarities and differences between two persons, objects, concepts, etc. Example: high school and college, secondary education and tertiary education, city life and rural life, etc. Cause and effect paragraph. It points out the causes of something and discusses their effects. Some examples: global warming, environmental pollution, liberation war of Bangladesh. Process paragraph or analysis paragraph. It explains how to do something or describes or explains how something is done. Example: how to make tea, how to be a good friend, good neighbor, good colleague, and good student. Classification paragraph. It categorizes things, persons, etc. into different types or classes. Example: types of friends, types of fruits, types of literature, types of religion. Example paragraph. It is developed by giving examples in support of the controlling idea in the topic sentence. Some examples: uses and abuses of Facebook, uses and abuses of mobile phone,